Welcome to our comparison of Varo and Kovo, two popular financial platforms. Varo is a mobile banking service that offers fee-free checking and high-yield savings accounts. Kovo, on the other hand, is a financial services platform that focuses on simplifying payments and transfers. Both platforms have their unique strengths, and we'll be examining them closely. When it comes to features, both platforms are robust. Varo offers automatic savings tools, early direct deposit, and no overdraft fees. Kovo, however, focuses on payment solutions, providing instant transfers, payroll services, and card issuance. While both platforms serve different needs, they are equally feature-rich in their respective areas. In terms of pricing, Varo shines with its fee-free approach. There are no monthly service fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no ATM withdrawal fees at 55,000 plus all point ATMs. Kovo, on the other hand, operates on a pricing model that depends on the services you use, which can vary. User experience is a critical factor. Varo has a user-friendly interface and a highly rated mobile app. It's straightforward, making banking tasks easy. Conversely, Kovo's platform is praised for its smooth user experience, especially in payment processing and management. Both are strong contenders in this area. Integration is another important aspect. Varo integrates with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay for convenient transactions. Kovo's strength lies in its API, which allows businesses to integrate Kovo's payment solutions into their own platforms. This makes Kovo more adaptable for businesses. Performance-wise, both Varo and Kovo are reliable. Varo's mobile banking services are efficient and consistent, while Kovo's payment processing is fast and dependable. Both platforms deliver on their promises, ensuring their users can trust their services. Security is a key concern for any financial platform. Varo uses advanced encryption and security measures to protect your data and funds. Kovo also prioritizes security, using encryption and fraud detection systems to ensure the safety of transactions. Both are committed to keeping their users' information safe. Customer support is vital in the finance industry. Varo provides 24/7 live customer support, giving users peace of mind. Kovo also offers customer support, but its hours are not 24/7. Thus, Varo has a slight edge in this area. After examining all aspects, the winner is Varo. It edges out Kovo due to its fee-free banking, 24/7 customer support, and its integration with popular payment platforms. However, Kovo's strength in payment solutions and its API make it a strong contender, especially for businesses. Thank you for watching our comparison of Varo and Kovo. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this one. We appreciate your support.